happy Friday and welcome back to my channel. So I'm always taking you guys along on my weekends. Today's vlog is going to be a spend the morning with me. I never spend time with you guys during the week, so we're gonna switch it up and do a little bit of a different style vlog today. As you can see, I just got changed for the gym, this little set. It is a cardio day, so fingers crossed that the treadmills are open. There's only 2 treadmills in the gym, and sometimes around this time, it's very busy and I can't snag one. So if we can't do cardio, we're gonna just do a lifting day, no big deal, but let's get up to the gym and get the morning started. So once I am all ready for the day, the next order of business is my iced coffee. So I'm gonna show you how I make it because I am obsessed and I have found the absolute perfect combination for at-home iced coffee. You're gonna need 2 things. The first being your Javvy protein coffee or Profi, how cute. This is the original flavor. And then your creamer of choice. And today I'm doing white chocolate mocha from Javvy. So let's get into how I make my protein coffee. I personally do not have one of those frother or little mini electric whisks. So I am gonna just be using a shaker bottle and give it a really good shake. So in my shaker cup, I already have about 8 ounces of water. So then you're gonna go in and add your scoops of your protein coffee. It is 10 grams of premium whey protein per scoop. And I like to do 2 scoops. So you're already getting 20 grams of protein right in your morning coffee. I love Javvy also because it's made with clean, simple ingredients. It has no artificial sweeteners or stevia in it. So you're really getting a good product here. So there's 2 scoops. Our little shaker guy in there. All right, and now we're gonna shake it up really well. Like I said, this has 0 grams of sugar, no artificial sweeteners or stevias in it. It's only 70 calories per scoop. So this is a great morning alternative to somebody in a calorie deficit. And there's 80 milligrams of caffeine per serving. So this alone is already cutting back on what a traditional energy drink or like coffee shop coffee would be. Right. So now that that's all shook up, we're gonna get our ice. All right, then we're gonna just pour our protein coffee over ice. Like I said, you can use any creamer of choice. I'm gonna be using Chobani white chocolate mocha. Give her a good mix. Look at that color. Oh my God. I can already tell this is gonna be so good. I can already tell by the color that it's gonna be perfect, but the official taste. Oh my God. It is perfect. It is perfect. I am telling you, this stuff is incredible. And in combination with this is your at-home iced coffee power duo, especially this protein coffee. Oh my gosh, so amazing. And it's got no chalky aftertaste. Yes, this is so incredible. 10 out of 10. There's prebiotics in it as well. Oh my God. I have my second cup ready and waiting for me. A little bit of ASMR for you. Oh. So freaking good. Okay, so iced coffee's made. I think I'm gonna make a bagel. We have cinnamon raisin bagels. So I'm gonna make a little bagel to go along with my coffee, and we're gonna watch the new episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty. But yeah, that is my at-home iced coffee recipe. perfection. So if you are looking to try this, I do have a discount code. I will put the code on the screen here, and I will also have the link that you can order through. Stuff is so good. I told you guys I would never talk about something on my channel that isn't absolutely amazing. So like I said, I will have the link for where you can get this in the description of this video. Also, we'll have the discount code on the screen here for a protein coffee. When you do order this and give it a try, come back to this video and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Oh my God. Well, the episode just ended as well as my coffee. So I'm going to end the vlog out here as well. But thoughts on the most recent episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty? Oh my God. The very last ending bathroom scene. I'm not going to spoil anything, but chills. Full body chills. Like, this season is getting so good. But I'm not going to spoil anything. End the vlog here. I'm going to go grab the rest of my protein coffee, and I will see you guys all in my next video. And if you are interested in the Javvy protein coffee, like I said, I will have the link and the discount code. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.